Assalamu alaikum. Well, GSM pen. Today's subject Motorola Moto G40 XT2421 Canon update failed 2024 dead mode 100% working file. If model this IME and unlock tool this FR key formats already mobile dead only SPD port show. Okay, others file flashing, no solution. Just my file 100% working. At first, my file using and Google and post on YouTube post. At first, my YouTube channel and subscriber like and comment and Facebook share. The file download, but paid file not free. Price 10 USD. Remote service. Okay, and fast boot mode again. Flash no problem. 100% working, water one off, dead mode, only SPD show. Other files, the flashing, Pandora, TFA, multi-tool, but no solution. My file, solution, 100% working and tested. I am using the file, okay. Next, Samsung M31 M315F binary U4 drum file with CHIMERA dead mode. The FR key unlocking this mobile dead mode. Just same solution. One click, my file download. M1 WhatsApp are now 24-hour service. Okay. Next, Moto G14 NB data by unlock tool. Next, Realme C53 RMX 3760 MB data unlock tool. Next, Redmi 13C boot fixed and fast boot unlocking with ISP. Okay. Next, ZT V40 baseband unknown, no service, no problem with the file download. M1 WhatsApps are now 24-hour service. Okay, no problem. Any file I am very confused. My YouTube channel description no link, just link. Comment box check. Comment box no link. Emergency your file need. Just a browser open. Google now. The right Borsha Mobile. Okay, Borsha Mobile. Right now one click. Borsha Mobile, contact us, many, your shop, smart view. Okay, no problem. Just Borsha one click. Okay. Search blogger. Same. Right now. G14. Sorry, G14. Good. Search. Okay. Update file. Any problem, any solution, other need, M1 WhatsApp are now 24-hour service. Okay, good night. All time challenge with you. Everyday file post, uncommon file. Okay, goodbye.